is Phoebe Silverson. And this is Phoebe Silverson here. And I am going to show you the most annoying sound ever. I made it up loud. Hang on, below this. The annoyingest sound I think in the world. I don't really know. And this is the pretend fart. And I'm going back to school tomorrow. I hate school. So, today I am going to be doing... I'm just stuck in a small room on a chair. That's a chair I'm sitting on. I don't know what to do. No, I just forgot. People put in the description some things, and I have to answer these questions. You have to answer them. I would say if they're right on the next video I'm making. So today, this is gonna be the most annoying sounds in the world. The most annoying sounds in the world. Well, for now, probably. This one is called the up and down mouth. This is another one. It's Fart Trump. And this machine, I can't do this. Oh yeah. And the most, well, probably the funniest, I think, Japanese. The funniest face I've ever made is this. Hello. What is this? I'm Charmies. It's no one. This is not one. That's what makes me start laugh. Sorry, I have to end this video and put down in comments. Wait, I haven't done any questions. Okay. Decide which sound or face was annoying. And there's 4 questions. Second one is which face wasn't funny? Up face, the face or sound. Well, choose a up then which one doesn't make you laugh. And then third question is gonna be just go to them. Bye.